In the last Polygon Matic video, I gave you this exact setup right here. I said we either short here or long here. We only could long here. And the question is, what will we do now? And there's a bunch of things we can do because the market is very, very active. The first thing we want to do is check what the daily chart is telling us. And we want to draw some trends. And just by looking at this chart, what would you say? Are we in a bullish trend, bull trend, bear trend? What are we doing? And to me, this really feels like an uptrend, right? We have higher lows all the way, and the only issue I can see on the daily chart is this breakout right here, which just happened. And the worst case scenario is from here, price is right here, we retest this line right here and dump. This is the worst case scenario. But even if we dump, we still have the 22-cent line to hold us back. By the way, this video is no financial advice. So here's the way I see things. Right now, we are in a bear trend from a money flow standpoint. Why? And as you can see, money flow right here is curving downwards, and just now it started to go in the red. And not only did it go to the red, but also we have VWAP curving down on the daily chart. Normally, that's a very, very strong signal for a dump. Not only that, but longs are kind of exhausted at the 80. So as soon as longs go from 88 to below 80, we dump hard. So this is basically how I'm planning to trade it. I'll wait for longs to go below 80 and we short. I'll start adding to my shorts from now, and then I'll start taking profits on the way down. But this is basically what I think. Where will the price go down to? Maybe even here. Maybe we'll destroy these candles right here where there's a lot of stop losses. Maybe we'll go to here. But that's basically how I'm planning to trade this. Let me know your thoughts though in the comment section down below. If you want to learn more about my strategy, we're up to 174 grand on meme coins. My strategy is in the description down below. We have the course and a signals chat. And also in the description down below, you can find a link for BingX. They're giving away over 8 grand of bonuses. See you next video.